Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a review on ZARBEE'S inspired by natural baby cough syrup for immune with agave plus Zinc. This is for 6+ months. I'm going to read a little information and I'll tell you what I like about this product. ZARBEE'S baby cough syrup plus immune with organic agave plus Zinc natural grape flavor for babies 6 months and up. 2 ounce pack of 1, and on Amazon is $7.35. It was $8.48 and 13% off. ZARBEE'S baby cough syrup immune support with agave. Most doctors don't recommend honey for babies under 12 months, so we created a syrup that made with organic agave instead to soothe cough associated with hoarseness, dry throat, and irritants. Safe and effective cough syrup for infants. Our natural grape flavor infant cough syrup is safe and effective for babies 12 to 24 months, made with organic agave and Zinc to support the immune system. Ingredients inspired by natural are agave-based coat syrup for baby is made from carefully selected ingredients, inspired by natural, free of drugs, alcohol, artificial sweeteners, artificial flavors, dyes, or gluten. Pediatrician approved. ZARBEE'S was developed by father and pediatrician Dr. Zak Zarbock. #1 pediatrician recommended cough syrup brand for babies and kids 12 and under. For the love of baby well-being, check out our complete range of products made just for babies. Those statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. The product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. I've trusted ZARBEE'S for a while now with my 3rd child, and I like them because they have organic plus it's 6 months and up. There's 12 and 24. And I like it because babies cannot have honey right now, especially when they're 6 or 7 months old. Until they're older, they can. And this is really good because it has agave plus Zinc, and it's a natural grape flavor. And that's what I like it, and it does help because my son got sick a couple days ago from my other kids. So this is a perfect way. You get is a bottle of the syrup, and then you get a little applicator, and syringe, and all you have to do is look in the back and see how much your child needs. My son is 6 months to 12 months, so he's 7 months right now, and I only give him 3 millimeters as needed. Often consult the doctor not to exceed 2 servings per day. So 1 time in the morning I give my son, and it's been helping really good, and he's getting so much better. If your kid is 12 months to 3 years old, you just give 3 millimeters as needed, not to exceed 4 servings per day. And it's really good, and I like it because it's organic, plus it helps your child's throat feel better. And it's easy to put in the mouth, easy to get inside the little syringe. So that's really awesome. And it tells you how many mils each. There's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then teaspoons. It's in teaspoons and mils. So that's pretty cool, and I like this. I definitely would recommend for parents, 1st time, 2nd, 3rd, or 4th like me. And I would recommend this brand anywhere. Well, that's all I have to show you guys today. I will put all the information about this wonderful cough syrup for babies, and I'll put pictures on how much it costs. Also, the Amazon website, if you guys want to go grab some. I'll try to find the website for ZARBEE'S, and I'll put the website as well for you guys. Well, that is all I have to show you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, turn on your notifications. And if you have not subscribed, please do. You guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys next video. Thank you guys. Bye.
I begin to I begin to